Got a gorgeous close-up from Midjourney, but now you want the same exact face in a full body shot, different outfit, different vibe? Good luck. Remix won't help. Omni? Still just upper body. But this trick just might blow your mind. Let's talk real. You've got a beautiful close-up, and now you want to take this character, same face, same vibe, and drop her into a whole new setting. Maybe a new outfit, maybe full body. You try remix? Nope. The face mutates. Omni kind of works. Full body, sure, but it's not quite her twin. Frustrating, right? We're switching gears now. Let me show you the heart of this trick, the Edit tool. Inside Midjourney's web UI, click on Edit. You'll get your original image in a little editor window. Now here's what most people don't realize. Midjourney will keep whatever you don't erase. Exactly. Pixel perfect. No remixing, no face mutations, no weird surprises. But whatever you do erase, Midjourney will regenerate based on your prompt. That means if you want to keep the face, don't touch it. But go ahead and erase everything else. Hair, background, shoulders, just the face stays. Think of it like freezing one part of the image and reimagining the rest. First, shrink the face and move it to the top of the frame. That leaves empty space below. And that's what Midjourney will fill in. Now, prompt for whatever you want. Jacket, dress, sci-fi armor, whatever. But don't include legs or shoes yet. So, what happens if you just slap a full body prompt right on a close-up face? Spoiler alert, Midjourney freaks out. Instead of expanding what's already there, it tries to guess a full body from scratch. And the result? You get this. Her upper body looks mostly okay, but the moment we try to reveal the rest, things fall apart. Her posture becomes awkward, her shoulders shift, the legs get weirdly compressed, and what's going on with those arms? Midjourney tries to invent what it can't see, and ends up hallucinating random details. Moral of the story? Don't jump to full body all at once. You've got to guide it step by step. Once you've got a nice waist-up version, edit it again. This time, shrink the entire figure even more, so there's enough blank space for legs. Now update the prompt, same outfit, but add the legs, describe the shoes, and let it rip. You'll get 4 variations, just like a regular generation, and usually one of them will be spot on. Now you've got a full body version of the exact same face you started with. From here, the sky's the limit. You can run more edits, generate more outfits, change backgrounds, and build an entire character sheet, all while keeping that original face consistent. All the prompts I used are in the first comment below. If this trick helped, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out the other Midjourney tutorials on the channel. Let's make AI art easier, one weird Midjourney hack at a time!